Hey, buddy, look what's on the floor. Daddy, you're passing it.
Whoa! Look. What is that?
Quarter, right. Go ahead. You can get all the quarters. Give them to Daddy.
Give me that one.
You give it to Mama? No, don't throw it. What do you see in here? Where did the quarters go? Basket?
Yeah.
Go get it. Happy Easter. The Easter Bunny came. Wow. What is it?
Bubba.
A fish?
Yeah.
Wow. What else is in the basket? What is that?
Flower.
A carrot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bubba.
Carrot. Is there an Easter bunny in the basket?
Yeah.
Yeah. When eggs? Can you shake it? Can you shake it, Preston? Shake it. Shake it. Oh. It's okay. Whoa, what else is in the basket? A carrot? Yeah, another carrot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bubba.
Mhm. Is there any candy in there? Oh, what's that?
Bubba.
A little lamb? Yeah? Can you give a hug and a kiss? Aww.
Give him kisses.
Bubba.
Candy.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll get him. Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Preston, say bye-bye to the camera.
Bubba.